describe your vision and instantly receive the first version.
FTMO Community Profile. Customize your trading identity. Create your profile now.
Hello, hello. Welcome guys, welcome everyone. क्या हाल है सबका guys? How are you guys? Why is the delay so much on my live? Welcome everyone. Hi, welcome Movie Minds. Welcome. How are you, bro?
Booties is a sustainable underwear and clothing brand.
Our old commerce platform was clunky and slow.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go do a quick explanation. of what I'm expecting today on gold. I think I give enough time for everyone to enter. Okay, so I'm going to start explaining. Okay, I'm going to start explaining my daily bias. I'm going to start explaining what I'm looking for, and I'm going to explain the reasoning behind everything that I say. Okay, so guys, starting off, I am bearish on gold. So the reasons to that is the higher time frame trends, the daily and the 4 hourly. We are strongly bearish. If we do compare that with DXY is also in a strong uptrend. So again, guys, these two markets, they move inversely. Gold and DXY, these two markets, they move opposite. So as you guys can see, this is moving in a strong uptrend while gold is moving in a strong downtrend, which does confirm our bearish bias for today. Yes, you could see some reversals, but in New York session, first we have to analyze London. We're trading London session, so we'll have to see how London is behaving, and then we can assess if gold wants to reverse in New York or if it wants to keep going down. There is a strong possibility that this pattern might repeat. I don't usually look at patterns, but right now, looking at this, there is a strong possibility that we might go and target down here, because now this liquidity zone has been taken out, this liquidity zone has been taken out, this liquidity zone has been taken out. The only liquidity zone that is left for gold is this now, right? So if gold does keep coming down here, right, so we want to go up in one of our liquidity zones, give a shorter time frame reversal, and then reverse down here. That will give us some confirmation that yes, gold does want to come down till here. Then we can target this. So yes, guys, I'm on live, and on live I'm gonna tell you guys, everyone, that in my opinion, I'm predicting that gold is soon about to fall below 4,000. There is a strong possibility that I am expecting gold to fall below 4,000. So I am expecting a $300 fall. Maybe not today, maybe today. If not, definitely for in this week for sure. So that's just my prediction, and it's just my opinion based on what I see. So I'm definitely expecting gold to fall below 4,000. Looking at our session, if we compare this with silver, right? Silver is also in a strong downtrend. So these two markets, they move similarly, right? These two markets, they move very similar to each other. And silver is also in a strong downtrend, which is another confirmation that gold wants to keep moving down. So guys, I'm bearish for gold, and I'm giving you guys the reasoning behind it, that why am I bearish. I do have proper reasoning behind that. So I give you guys the fundamental side. DXY, this is the dollar strength. Dollar strength is improving, hence gold needs to fall. Silver and gold move similarly. Silver's value is dropping, so is gold's gonna value drop, in my opinion. 4 hours in a downtrend on the technical side, 1 hour is on a downtrend. So everything is kind of supporting our bearish bias. So what am I looking at right now? What do I want? What do I want to take my trade? I'll tell you guys now. Okay, so we're hovering around, these are daily lows, right? These are daily lows. So I'm I'm expecting that gold's gonna come here, it's gonna sweep here, then give us a change of structure here, and I'm looking to enter somewhere around here with stop loss just above here, and I'm gonna target here. So in that case, our stop loss might be a bit wider today because of how gold is moving, because I set my stop loss with market structure, not according to the pips, right? It's just that usually I do get my stop loss in the range of 700 to 1000 pips, but I set my stop losses according to market structure. So looking at that, our only reasonable stop loss would be here, which is 1400 pips. So maybe we do come up more before changing structure. It will give us a better entry, but then look at where I'm targeting. I'm targeting 4000 pips today. So we're going to target 1:3 risk to reward. And yeah, so this is what I'm looking at. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I can answer them. Even better if gold comes up till here, sweeps this high here, even this high. If gold comes and sweeps these two highs, 1, sorry, 3 highs, 1 2 3. If gold sweeps these 3 highs, because these are low resistance draws of liquidity. What are low resistance draws of liquidity? Low resistance draws of liquidity are liquidity targets within the previous trend. So it's the lower highs, in this case it's the lower highs and the lower lows of the previous trend. So this is what I'm expecting gold to sweep. So I need gold to sweep here, I need gold to sweep here, I need gold to sweep here, and then give me a reversal downside. And then I'm going to target these zones, because other than that, the next target will be up here. And if gold does come up till here, that means gold might want to reverse, and then my bias is wrong. So that's what I'm going to be targeting. However, even if I do not get a sweep of liquidity on these 3 highs, if we just tap these dailies again, we didn't quite tap it after London market opened. So I need gold to go and retest the daily lows and then give me a break of structure to the downside. And then I'm going to target these lows. So yeah. Ask me questions, any questions you guys might have. Also, I don't see a reversal coming today. Let me be honest with you guys. I don't see a reversal coming today. I'll be really surprised if gold reverses trends today, because today is a no news Monday. There's no news today. So for gold to actually change trends, we'll need some at least volume, something that's going to drive the price. There's no major news today. So what is going to cause gold to change trends? There's very low probability that gold is going to change trends today. If it wants to change trends, it's going to be either tomorrow or on CPI on Wednesday. So in my opinion, I'm expecting low volume, but I'm expecting gold to fall down. But I'm not expecting it to fall with, good volume, maybe slowly. Like, look at these candles, right? Look at these 5-minute candles. There is no good volume in the market today. So it is going to be a slow day, but I am confident about my bearish bias, and I'm going to be bearish for today, and let's see what happens. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll answer them. समझ लग गई कि नहीं? Another reason, right? Because see, another reason why I'm bearish. This red line that I marked, ये monthly lows and previous month के lows हैं. So this is also a very huge liquidity zone. If gold wanted to give a reversal, this candle, after this candle closed, gold would have changed trends and it would have kept going up, right? Because this is a major liquidity zone for gold. But it didn't reverse trends. It just gave a fake out and then swept this hourly high, and then it fell even further. So that's why I'm strongly bearish, and let's see what happens. Should play out nicely today, but guys, sometimes even your best setups, they don't play out. Bro, how to set stop loss? On MetaTrader 5, I made a video on that, so everyone knows how to set stop loss. I'll send it again in the video. So on MetaTrader, when you guys open your trade, once you click that trade open button, right, there's two options how you can set your stop loss. Your first option is that you go in, you click on the trade, you go on the trade page, you click on where your trade is open, you click on that, there'll be an option that says trade. You click on that, and then you'll see two options, stop loss and TP. So you just write the figures that I'm giving you guys. That's option one, and that's kind of easy. The second one, which is better for your eyes, is that you open gold's chart. Once you open your trade, you'll see a line there where your trade is opened. You click on that line where your trade is. As soon as you click on that line, you'll see two options, stop loss, SL and TP. You need to click SL. When you click SL, you'll see another line that pops up. Now you're going to take that line and you're going to drag it to where I'm saying that this is where your stop loss is. And then the same thing for TP. And once you do that, there's an arrow at the bottom of your screen. You click that, click modify, that's it, done. I did make a video on it as well, so you guys can get a better understanding of it. I'll send it again in the group. When we're going to take the trade, so I did explain. Right now this is what I'm expecting, right? I said it when gold was here. I'm expecting gold to come up till here 4312 and then give me a lower time frame shift in structure. So I need something like this. I'm drawing it out for you, and then I need a short retracement here, and then I'm going to look to enter somewhere here like this, and we can place our stop loss here. Even a safer option would be up here, but it makes our stop loss wide because of the amount of pips gold is moving today within minutes. So this is a 1500 pip stop loss, and then this is a 1000 pip stop loss, which we usually keep, right? But we'll target somewhere around here for TP1, you know, secure early on, so that if gold wants to just chop around and come back up, we at least get out with something, right? We'll target here for TP2, which is 1700 pips. So this will be our TP2, and then this will be our TP3, which is a 1:4 risk to reward, 4000 pips, a $40 move on gold. So if our SL is a bit wide, our TPs are also very wide. Okay, thank you, bro. Got it. Perfect, bro. Hey, Umar, how are you? Welcome here. Welcome. I'm good. आप सुनाओ, आप कैसी हो? So yeah, today is a no news Monday, so I am expecting slow movement, but the trend is so clear that I am expecting a good trade today. So let's see what market gives us. Okay, so we are approaching our liquidity zone, as I mentioned, which was here. We are about to sweep it. So from here on, the higher it goes, the better trade I get. If it comes up till here before shifting structures, even better for me. On the higher time frame on the daily, I really do see this pattern repeating one more time, because not just looking at the pattern, you see, I'm a smart money concept trader, and according to those concepts, market is supposed to now target the next liquidity zone, which is only this, because this has been swept, this has been swept, this has been swept, this has been swept. The only target for liquidity now for gold is this now. Okay, so we are coming up, as I mentioned, right here. We swept this high, I think. Let me see. Yeah, so we swept one high. This was one of the highs I marked. This is our second high, right here. Wait, I'm gonna change this. Hold on. So this was one of the highs I marked. I'm gonna color code this. No, purple. This is one of the highs. Second high is this. Third high is this. If it sweeps all three highs, great, perfect. Even if it doesn't, if it gives me a shift in structure, I'll just take that as that gold has enough liquidity to shift structure now, so I will still be taking the trade. But if it does end up sweeping all three of these highs, then it's even better for me. It makes my trade even more better. Like it makes it a A+ setup for me. So we swept the first high, we swept the second high. If you guys see, this high has been swept, this high has been swept. Maybe gold doesn't want to come up till here, I don't know. So I'm gonna take these out. These two highs have been swept. That's done. We have only one high left, which is up there. That's also an order block. This is also an order block. But we have to wait for shift in structure because the 5 minute is in a strong downtrend now. So I have to wait for the 5 minute on gold to shift. If this was in an uptrend, we could have gone on the 1 minute here and taken the trade from this order block. Let's see though, let's see. Guys, see how market made a red candle out of these two zones? The exact zones I marked. So you guys see these things actually work. Do you see how as soon as we pushed price, as soon as price pushed above these highs, it reversed immediately? So now this is what I'm expecting. Like this. So I'm expecting a red candle, and then a green candle pushing here, and then shifting structure, retesting dailies again, and this is where our entry is. And guys, when I speak about these things, I can give you guys the reasons behind everything I say. I'm not just assuming that gold might do this. If you guys don't have a reason to what you're saying, then you're basically gambling. War Drago Gaming, welcome. Okay, the 5 minute candle is about to shift. If gold just keeps coming down till here without any retracements, then that's just unlucky. It does happen. Then we'll want to enter somewhere around here, stop loss here, target there. But I hope that doesn't happen because that gives us a bad risk to reward. I want to see what the next candle does. I need one up candle, yeah. Let this 5 minute be an up candle, please. How to spot liquidity. I'll make a video on this because it's a very long concept to speak about. Or we can do a live session separately on this. But it's basically, in short words, if I explain, it's the highs and lows within the market. So you know when the trend shifts, the trend before that, you're going to take the highs and lows of that trend. That is all liquidity. I'll explain it nicely in a separate session, but that's basically how you spot liquidity. Right now, I literally just told you guys where liquidity is lying. You guys saw it for yourself, how price went above my liquidity zones and how it came down from that. And how did I know that? Because I just spotted liquidity. And so far I told you guys that I wanted gold to come up till here, make a red candle, then a green candle, then a red candle, and then we're going to enter. So we're doing exactly as I said so far. But let's see. Are we bullish today or bearish? I'm bearish, bro. We are bearish. We are all bearish. I want gold to come up till here. If it comes up till here, I might as well even switch to the 1 minute and take this trade. If gold does come up till here, this is an order block. We have a sweep of liquidity. It will be a good trade. If we get our trade somewhere around here, stop losses, we're gonna have to make it a bit wider, because this is our only reasonable stop loss. If price does come up higher, then we get a better stop loss. If gold tapped in this order block, we would have taken the trade there as well, but it didn't tap the order block. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat this again, no worries. It depends, right? If I don't know yet, I have to wait for gold to tell me what to do. If we get a trade somewhere around here, right, our trade will either be here or it will be up here by that order block, this block that I drew. So right now it seems like we're gonna get our trade here. Our only reasonable stop loss will be here, which is still tight, but it's big because of the amount of pips gold is moving today, these since a few days, within minutes. So this will be a 1200 pip SL. We can bring it down to 1000, you know, but my ideal setup will be up here if I get a trade here. So if gold comes up till this block, gives me a 1 minute structure shift, then we get a good stop loss. We can put our stop loss somewhere around here, which is just about 700 pips. And our TP, my TP3 is down here. It's down here. This is where my TP3 is, which is 5000 pips. And I'm definitely expecting gold to fall down till there. So it just depends where I get my entry. TP1, TP2 will be safe. TP3 will be the real target that I'm chasing. If we do get a break of, welcome Ali. If we do get a break of structure here, then my trade becomes a bit different. Then I'm going to enter somewhere around here. We can put our stop loss here, which is a bit tight given the conditions, but it's fine. If we enter somewhere around there, we'll make this TP1. Yeah, the reason why this will be TP1 is that this is a bullish order block. So this is why this will be TP1. So in case price just wants to tap this order block and reverse, we still get out at break even after securing partials. This will be TP2, which is a 1:1 risk reward. And why is this TP2? Because these are lower time frame draws of liquidity. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of candles here. Market might want to come sweep here and then go up. So it makes our trade even safer. And if we are completely right about our bias, then we will get TP3, which is down here, which is about 3700 pips from here. Our best trade, however, is here. If gold comes up till here, this is where our best trade is. So I just have to wait what gold wants to do. But I give you guys the two scenarios under which circumstances I'll be taking a trade on gold. No worries, bro. We can really get a really nice trade if gold comes to that block I marked. We'll give it some space to sweep, enter somewhere around here. You know, we can give our trade breathing room because of how high we're going to be taking this trade. We'll give it about a 800 pip move, a breathing room, right? And then we get such a better RR compared to the second scenario. This you get a 1:5 risk to reward, 1:5.5, and you catch 5000 pips. But we only get that if gold does come up till here. So we just have to adapt, guys. We have to adapt to what market is doing. We can still get a trade here, it's fine. It's just that my best stop loss goes there. We'll have to tighten our stop loss. Let's see if we get a break of structure. and then we'll decide. I will check Nasdaq now. I'm just typing out the signals, the possible signals for you guys, so that when it does form, I don't miss. I usually already know my stop loss, my entry, my TPs way before the setup even formed. TP2 will be
With background play on the YouTube Music app, you can play official tracks and live recordings in the background while you clean up all that mess in the foreground. Get YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
I might send a signal soon, guys. Just be ready. The live has a bit of delay, so just make sure your notifications for the group are on as well. 4, 2. Okay. Wait. We have to see and wait if we do get a break of structure. Then we'll decide. No. And we're selling, and don't do anything right now. Just be active on the group also, guys. Just be ready. I'm gonna, yeah, gold. I'll tell you guys just now. Okay, we got a breakout structure. I need a retracement. Just be ready in the group, guys. I'm gonna send a signal just now. Should push the price up higher just now because of that order block down there. Be ready in the group chat, guys. I'm gonna send a signal just now. I need a retracement. Then I'll enter. I'm gonna enter somewhere around here. Stop loss goes here. No market for you guys. It should retrace, because there's an order block down there. See, this is an order block which should push the price back higher for us to get our retracement. We can't enter here because the stop loss will be so big. If you enter here, the stop loss is very big, 1500, 1600. It's very big. We need gold to come up till here, otherwise the risk to reward is so bad that it doesn't make sense for us to enter. My entry is around 4,305. So as soon as 4,305 hits, I'm entering. This is where I want gold to come till 4,305. Gold taps that zone, I'm entering immediately. So if you guys want to get a better entry before me even sending a signal on the group, just enter as soon as 4,305 taps. The stop loss and TP is already set. We need proper best setup. Yes, DXY is also in an uptrend, so we have some good confirmations. Bro, you can find the link to my WhatsApp group on my Instagram. Go on my Instagram, it's umarx_04, and then you'll find the link to my WhatsApp group there. And then my VIP group, you have to personally DM me. So you can find my number on my free group, and then you can message me for VIP. VIP is still free. You just have to sign up with my link in order to be part of VIP. Bro, if it falls like this without retracing, I'll be so disappointed, man. Maybe next candle, I don't know. Come on, retrace gold. It should come up. Okay, I'll share it just now in the chat. Let's just enter this trade and then I'll share it. Guys, if you stay on your charts and if you see the zone hit 4,305 anywhere around the zone, you guys can enter. Even if I'm taking time to send this signal on the group, just know I'm gonna enter as soon as 4,305 taps. So let's see. because if we enter here, our stop loss will be where our entry is supposed to be. यार कॉपीराइट लग जाता है कॉपीराइट. If it keeps falling, we missed our entry. So let's see. Okay, let me share the link in the chat. You guys can find it on my Instagram also, guys. I don't know if you guys will be able to tap on the link here. Instagram also, guys. Let me try. I sent it. I think it's working. Let me pin it. Okay, there we go, guys. Guys, also subscribe my channel. I don't ever ask you guys to subscribe, but please subscribe. Yeah, I'm on the 5-minute shot. So I expected a bit of retracement. Gold is just falling without retracing. It is doing exactly how I told you guys. Come up till here, sweep, fall. But I needed this retracement. So I don't know if we're still gonna get it or if gold just wants to fall. But this is where our entry is supposed to be. So if gold comes up till here, we can enter. So let's see. Our stop loss will be here, just above this order block and the dailies. This was actually supposed to be my TP2, TP1 somewhere here. My entry was supposed to be somewhere around here. TP1, TP2, TP3. Guys, I pinned the link of the group chat for you guys where I send my signals. जब हम ऊपर आए थे, अगर ये ऑडो ब्लॉक टैप हो जाता ना तो मैं 1 मिनट पे जाके मैं यहाँ से ले लेता, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू माई रूल्स आई एम नॉट सपोज टू टेक द ट्रेड अनलेस द ऑडो ब्लॉक हैज़ बीन टैप्ड इनटू। तो यहाँ से और अच्छी एंट्री मिल जानी थी। खैर लेट्स सी क्या होता है अभी। अगर रिट्रेसमेंट मिल गई तो एक अच्छी ट्रेड मिल जाएगी, अगर रिट्रेसमेंट नहीं मिली तो पता नहीं अगर आज कोई और ट्रेड मिलेगी भी या नहीं, क्योंकि नो न्यूज़ मंडे है। Oh my shit. DXY is moving in a strong uptrend from here. That's bearish for gold. How to check volume? So there's a few things to it. You can see it with a naked eye. Number one, you can just see how the candles are moving, but if you don't want to use a naked eye, then there's this indicator you guys can add. It's called ATR. So this, you don't use this to take trades, you just look at this to see the volume, how much volume there is in the market. It's called ATR. I do have it set on my MetaTrader, so it's just to see how good the volume is. It went to TP2 without us, guys. It's already at TP2. If it breaks this here, it's most likely a must trade. If it breaks below here, there's still a chance we might get our entry. But if it breaks below here, then we're literally about to miss a very great trade today. No problem, bro. We only trade with proper confirmations. Yes. I like that attitude, bro. Let's see. I called this setup here, guys. agreed, आज नहीं तो कल से ही. This trade, it missed everything I wanted by such a small margin. First of all, here I wanted gold to tap this block that I drew. If we tapped here, I was gonna enter. It just reversed very close to it. After that, I wanted a retracement to this blue candle, reversed just from here and then fell. So market did me dirty twice. Okay, guys, just enjoy music so long. There's nothing I can do. There's no reasonable entry around here. If it keeps going down, I missed this trade. I do have alert on here. If it comes back up, we can enter. I'm coming.
Listen, pay 199 Rand a month for a streaming app, and 59.99 for a music app, and 99.99 for a fitness app, and more money for a bunch of other apps. That really adds up. So why not get YouTube Premium for just 71 Rand and 99? It's like having all those and the entire world of YouTube, uninterrupted. Your wallet.
Guys, be active in the group. In case it retraces, I'm gonna send a setup still. So just be ready. I'm gonna quickly just do something. So yeah. क्या करें यार अभी मिस्ड एंट्रीज पे बहुत गुस्सा चढ़ता है बट वी कांट डू एनीथिंग एवरीवन गोज थ्रू इट बहुत मजे का सेल होना था ये स्नाइपर एंट्री नो ड्रॉ डाउन नथिंग बट लेट्स सी On the 15-minute, there's a fair value gap here. The price might want to come back to balance out.
Listen, pay 199 rand a month for a streaming app and 59.99 for a music app and 99.99 for a fitness app.
Yes, we can't just sell here because look at this, right? If you sell here, your risk to reward goes from 1:5 to 1:1. You're selling at a support zone, which could make you guys see drawdown. Your risk to reward gets decreased by massive. So your only reasonable entries here. We can't take this trade on the 15-minute also, because if we move to the 15-minute, yes, there's a liquidity sweep, there's a break of structure, there's a retracement, but then the same thing, your risk to reward drops to 1:1. And if it comes up till here, you see how big your stop loss is, 2,400 pips. So that's a very bad stop loss to have. You guys will lose a lot of money if we lose the trade. Let me look at Nasdaq. For Nasdaq, there is a sell entry on Nasdaq right now. I'm just focusing on gold so that the beginners in the group do not face troubles with the lot sizing calculations. There's a sell setup on Nasdaq. Let's wait a bit. Maybe gold gives us a retracement. All my confluences, the equilibrium, fair value gap, order block, everything tells me that my only reasonable entry zone is here on gold.
Check out my new music video, Gut Punch, on YouTube. Your one-stop shop for music.
Okay, I don't see gold coming back anymore. Let's wait for a bit. Bro, which funded platform is the best? FTMO, Funding Pips. These two. FTM was the best, then Funding Pips. Really unfortunate, guys. Such a great trade, and it left without us. any setup formed? It did actually, and it fell without us. This is where I was gonna enter after this break of structure. You see this small pullback? I wanted this pullback till here. I would have entered here, and these were my TPs. TP1, TP2, and down there is my TP3. However, it fell without us, so really unfortunate. If it still comes back up, I can still make us re-enter, but for now this was a missed trade, and it really fell good, guys. 2000 pips from entry. So it left without us. If you guys go back on the live, gold was here when I illustrated the whole move of gold. Those that are still watching from the start, I literally told you guys from here that gold's gonna come up till here and then it's gonna fall like this. You can even rewind the live and check. But it missed my entry by $2. So I just needed gold to come up 200 pips more, and I was gonna make us enter. And the reason behind this, I think it's because it's a no news Monday. So it looks like price didn't need to retrace before going down. It looks like market did not want to fetch any orders before falling, and that's why it kept falling after sweeping. Another entry that I missed was up here. I drew this block here, and if we tapped in this block, I was gonna make a sell from here. However, if you guys see, it just reversed close to it. So I missed 2 entries. For Nasdaq, I would say wait. Let's wait for Nasdaq to sweep here, 29,261. A break of structure from there, and then enter there. Gold is moving much cleaner than Nasdaq, so I wanted to prioritize gold.
YouTube Premium is
I haven't been looking at Nasdaq.
YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free.
No worries, Fran. Yeah, I'll send it on the group. Tell me something, everyone that's watching my live. Will you guys be comfortable if I start sending Nasdaq signals again? I stopped sending Nasdaq signals because you guys are not sure about the lot sizing. But if you guys know about your lot sizing, then I can start sending Nasdaq signals as well. You know, on the days we miss gold like this, we can switch to Nasdaq. So if everyone is comfortable with it, then definitely why not? Because my markets are Nasdaq and gold. हाँ जी, ही एंट्री मिस्ड अनफॉर्चुनेटली. यहाँ पे मैंने एंट्री लेनी थी. मैंने लिटरली यहाँ से पूरी ड्राइंग बना के इलस्ट्रेशन दिखाई थी सबको कि इधर जाएगी और फिर हम इधर आएंगे. तो मेरी एंट्री किधर थी? मेरी एंट्री थी ये ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर के बाद जब ट्रेंड चेंज हुआ है. ये जो कैंडल ने हल्का सा पुल बैक दिया है, मैं वेट कर रहा था कि ज़्यादा बड़ा पुल बैक आए. उसके बाद ये एक फेयर वैल्यू गैप छोड़ गई थी, तो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि चलो अब नेक्स्ट वाली कैंडल फेयर वैल्यू गैप में आएगी तो वहाँ पे एंटर करेंगे. तो वो ना ऑटो ब्लॉक में आई है, वो ना फेयर वैल्यू गैप में आई है, वो स्वीप करके सीधा सीधा गिरती रही है. तो हमारी एंट्री मिस हो गई. Okay, अगर if I, yes bro, we are comfortable. Okay, if you guys are comfortable with Nasdaq, then I will send a Nasdaq signal for you guys. But बहुत अच्छी trade होनी थी. This trade would have been a banger literally. We are up 2,000 pips from entry. Would have been a great trade. We were already up 1:2 risk to reward, and I was targeting 1:3.5 in this trade. It's already up 1:2. So very unfortunate, and I just followed my rules. My entry rules tell me that I have to wait for a retracement, so I waited. So no regrets. For Nasdaq, okay, you guys can enter if we give a 5-minute break of structure here. I've already done the analysis on Nasdaq. Your stop loss goes here like this. Your entry is here. You need a 5-minute candle closure below 29173. If you get that, you enter there. This will be TP1 right here. This will be TP2, and this will be TP3. TP1, TP2, and TP3. 1:2 risk to reward trade. The reasoning behind this, there's a bullish fair value gap which could push the price back up. So TP1, TP2 here, this is a bullish order block that can push the price back up, and TP3, this is the external liquidity zone that Nasdaq might want to target. In an extreme scenario, you guys can target this down here. Very much possible actually. You guys can actually keep this as TP3, not this. Gold is a missed trade, guys, today. So like this. Behind this, the Nasdaq trade. Okay, so starting off, 4 hour is bearish on Nasdaq. This is a 4-hour high that we just swept. Well, not on Nasdaq but S&P. So these two markets, they move similarly. So there's usually something called SMT divergence, if you guys know what SMT divergence is. So there's a bearish SMT divergence on Nasdaq and S&P, which is a very strong confluence for these two indices. I'm going to show it to you guys here. Look at this. S&P swept this high, so it pushed past this high, shifted structure, but Nasdaq did not. So what does that mean? That usually means that both these markets want to go down. One of the markets needed liquidity, so it pushed price higher to sweep liquidity, while the other market has enough liquidity to push price down. So guys, here if you guys get a candle closure here, you guys can enter Nasdaq. Let me see if I can send a Nasdaq signal, guys. It's US Tech M on Xauusd. It's called US Tech M. That's Nasdaq, guys. Okay.
Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free.
I'm gonna give out the pricing for Xauusd, guys. Xauusd is showing me different pricing here compared to my chart. It happens on brokers, so I'm gonna give out the next Xauusd pricing. On live, I'll mark it for you guys here. 29. Bruh. Okay, I sent a signal for Nasdaq. You guys can go check on the group. I sent a signal for Nasdaq. That's TP1. My TP2 is. Go check on the group. I sent the signal, guys. It's marked out here for you guys as well. 29. Okay, yeah, perfect. We might do gold also if it comes back till here. So you guys can choose to wait. If you guys are having trouble with Nasdaq, don't worry, don't FOMO. We'll just have to see if gold does come back till there. For now, some of you guys can enter Nasdaq,
All that mess in the foreground. Get YouTube
and it's already in profits,
1 month free of charge.
straight up, and 28,000. There we go. Straight in profits, guys. And it's about to hit TP1 already. We are straight in profits on Nasdaq. Very close to TP1. In the meantime, we're still gonna wait for gold. Let's see what gold does. Okay, guys. TP1 is about to hit on Nasdaq. It's literally $5 away. Sniper entry, and we hit TP1. TP1 has been hit. Okay. I didn't move my stop loss to break even, just so you guys know. My stop loss is not at break even. I just secured partials. Guys, we missed our entry for gold. There's still a chance that we can get an entry on gold again. So if you don't know the lot sizing for Nasdaq, you can just skip it. For those that did enter Nasdaq with me, if you guys know the lot sizing, we just hit TP1. I'm still holding some to TP2. For gold, I'm gonna wait for a retracement. If we do get a retracement to my entry zone, we will still enter, so there's no need to worry, and let's see what happens. It came back to entry. If someone missed their entry, you guys could have entered there. I'm so sorry, I was busy with the group also, and I forgot to say it on the live that it's back at entry and you guys can enter. But I did tell you guys I'm not moving my stop loss to break even. So I think this should be a good trade. If you guys know the proper lot sizing for Nasdaq, then you guys are chilling. For beginners that don't know the lot sizing for Nasdaq, it's a bit of a problem because you don't know how to calculate the lot sizing. So it's just best you wait for gold. I don't know, we might still get an entry on gold. Guys, watch the trade, I'm coming. Guys, tell me in the chat, did you guys enter? Did you guys enter or not? Nasdaq. Everyone, tell me, did you guys enter Nasdaq with me? गाइस नैस्डैक में किस किस ने मेरे साथ एंट्री ली है, मुझे चैट में बताओ। नैस्डैक में किस किस ने मेरे साथ एंट्री ली है? ओके माशाल्लाह बुलेट, आई एम हैप्पी। ठीक है, आपको जिधर जिधर सेफ फील होता है आप लोग एग्जिट करते जाओ, मसला नहीं है। हमारी गोल्ड की ट्रेड मिस हो गई थी, गोल्ड की ट्रेड भी बहुत अच्छी थी, बट नैस्डैक पे हमें अभी TP1 मिल गया हुआ है। मेरा स्टॉप लॉस अभी भी ब्रेक इवन पर नहीं है, मैं बताऊंगा कब आएगा, बट मैंने पार्शल्स ले लिए हैं TP1 पे, मैंने हल्के से पार्शल्स ले लिए हैं। No, bro. Nasdaq just hit TP1 right now. I'll tell you if it comes back to entry. नहीं ली, पहली एंट्री मिस होगी, सेकंड एंट्री पर नज़र नहीं पड़ी। अगर एंट्री पे वापस आता है मैं आप लोगों को बताता हूँ, आप लोग अभी भी एंटर कर सकते हो, ठीक है। आप लोग मेरी लाइव पे देखते रहो और अपने चार्ट पे देखते रहो, अगर एंट्री पे वापस आती है तो आप लोग अभी भी एंटर कर सकते हो, ठीक है। TP1 हमारा हिट हो गया हुआ है, एंट्री इधर है, स्टॉप लॉस मेरा ब्रेक इवन पे नहीं है अभी भी, क्यों? क्योंकि आई एम स्टिल एक्सपेक्टिंग नैस्डैक टू फॉल। तो अगर यहाँ पे आती है आप लोग री एंटर कर सकते हो, ठीक है। बहुत ठंड है यार इधर। मेरी एंट्री है ये ट्रेडिंग व्यू के प्राइसेस अलग हैं, एक्सनेस के अलग गए, तो मेरा ब्रोकर एक्सनेस है, मैं इसलिए एक्सनेस की प्राइसिंग भेज रहा हूँ ग्रुप्स में, बट ट्रेडिंग व्यू पे कुछ और प्राइसिंग दिख रही है, इसलिए मैंने आप लोगों को मार्किंग करके दिखा दिया है कि एंट्री और SL वगैरह किधर है। आप लोग सिंपली अपने 5 मिनट के चार्ट पे जाओ और ये जो हाइज बने हुए हैं इसके ऊपर स्टॉप लॉस लगा दो, एंट्री आपकी इधर है जिधर ये कंसोलिडेशन हो रही है। अगर आप एक्सनेस के साथ नहीं हो, अगर आप एक्सनेस के साथ हो यू कैन सिंपली जस्ट फॉलो द प्राइसिंग आई एम सेंडिंग इन द ग्रुप। just want to check something.
Extra paperwork for who? Not you. Not from Cafe. You didn't hear it from us. You heard it from Krista B.
The lady who assisted me guided me through every step and made the entire process effortless. I received my money quickly with no extra paperwork.
Apply online and join more than 3 million South Africans whose goals we've supported. Plan smart. Think Cafe.
Okay. Guys, you should know your lot size calculations for Xness on Nasdaq. With the 0.1 lot on this stop loss, you're gonna lose about $10 to $12. So if you wanna risk $5, then use 0.05. If you wanna risk $10, use 0.1. If you wanna risk $20, then risk 0.2. So this is your lot size calculations. The entry is still valid on Nasdaq right now. If you're confused, you can just leave it out. I'm still waiting for the retracement on gold. I was waiting for a retracement and the trade left without us, so it was a missed entry, and that's why I sent a signal for Nasdaq. However, we can still get the trade on gold, so you can just choose to wait if you're getting confused. Yeah, guys, the entry on Nasdaq is still valid. Okay, but I have a question. Nasdaq में 0.01 की लॉट से मेरा एसएल पे पोर्टफोलियो ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ रही. Should I still take this trade or not? Yeah, मैंने वही बताया. Nasdaq की लॉट साइजिंग डिफरेंट है. So if you guys want to risk $10, I'm speaking about Xness, right? Because हर ब्रोकर की लॉट साइजिंग अलग होती है. तो अगर आप किसी और ब्रोकर पे हो, then don't listen to me. अगर आप Xness पे हो मेरे साथ मेरे VIP ग्रुप में, then अगर आप $10 रिस्क करना चाह रहे हो, then open 0.1. अगर आप $20 रिस्क करना चाह रहे हो, then open 0.2. अगर आप $5 रिस्क करना चाह रहे हो, then open 0.05. ठीक है, मैंने आप लोगों को लॉट साइज कैलकुलेशंस अभी बता दी हैं. तो अगर आप लोग अपने कैपिटल के हिसाब से देख लें कि आप लोग कितना रिस्क पे डालना चाहते हैं. TP1 हिट होके मार्केट अभी वापस एंट्री पे आई है एंड अभी भी वैलिड है. एंड मैं यहाँ पे एक दफ़ा एक और एंट्री खोल लेता हूँ छोटी सी, ताकि मुझे पता हो मैंने आप लोगों को किधर एंट्री दी है फिर से. तो मैंने आप लोगों की लॉट साइज कैलकुलेशंस बता दी हैं. गोल्ड के लिए डिफरेंट होता है, नैस्डैक के लिए डिफरेंट होता है. मैंने इस वजह से सबसे पूछा था कि आप लोग नैस्डैक में कंफर्टेबल हो गए या नहीं, क्योंकि गोल्ड की एंट्री मिस हो गई है हमारी. ठीक है, गोल्ड की एंट्री हमारी इधर होनी चाहिए थी जो कि मिस हो चुकी है. तो मैंने इस वजह से आप लोगों को नैस्डैक की एंट्री दी है. ये यूएस टेक एम ना एक्सनेस पे है. हर ब्रोकर पे डिफरेंट नाम होता है नैस्डैक का. तो इस वजह से अगर आप एक्सनेस पे हो तो आपको यूएस टेक एम दिखना चाहिए. अदरवाइज मुझे नहीं पता आपके ब्रोकर पे एक्सनेस नैस्डैक का नाम क्या है. तो इस वजह से आप वीआईपी में अगर आप हो तो आपको फिर एक्सनस पे ये दिखना चाहिए यूएस टेक कैन। गाइस इट्स नियरिंग TP1 अगेन। अगर आप लोगों ने, मैंने आप लोगों को 2 चांसेस दिए एंट्री के, अगर आप लोगों ने एंटर किया है इट्स अबाउट टू हिट TP1 अगेन। No, bro. It just fell again to TP1. It's almost at TP1 because when I give the entry, it went to TP1, reversed back to entry. I told everyone to enter again without moving stop loss to break even for those that missed. Now it's back at TP1. If it does come back to entry, I'll let you know. But for now, it's not valid anymore. There was a few minutes where you could have entered again. So I gave 2 chances for everyone to enter. बट 0.01 स्मॉलेस्ट लॉट नैस्डैक पे 200 से एंट्री होती है, 29 एसएल पे मेरा 88 जा रहा है। आपने जो लॉट साइज के हिसाब से प्राइस बताई है मेरा क्यों ज़्यादा है? एक्सनेस में एक्सनेस यूज़ कर रही हूँ, आप 0.01 फिर यूज़ नहीं कर रही बिकॉज 0.01 पे तो बहुत छोटी लॉट साइजिंग जा रही है। 1 की लॉट पे आप कह रहे होगे क्योंकि 1 की लॉट पे ऊपर $88 जा रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने 1 की लॉट खोली हुई है इसलिए मुझे पता है कि आप 1 की लॉट की बात कर रही हो। 1 की लॉट पे मेरा लिटरली $88 जा रहा है। 1 की लॉट नहीं खोलनी, 0.1 की लॉट खोलनी है। और हर ब्रोकर की लॉट साइजिंग अलग होती है, तो अगर आप एक्सनेस पे नहीं हो तो फिर आपकी लॉट साइजिंग का मुझे नहीं पता। मैं TP1 फिर से हिट हो गया गाइस। Guys, I gave you guys twice. I gave you guys the chance to enter twice. मैं एक्सनेस पे हूँ, एक सेकंड गाइज। आप लोगों को ना मैं इसके बाद ना ट्रेड के बाद बताता हूँ हाउ टू कैलकुलेट लॉट साइजिंग, ठीक है? आई एम गोना टेल यू गाइज हाउ टू कैलकुलेट लॉट साइजिंग। चाहे आप किसी भी ब्रोकर पे हो, आप चाहे कुछ भी कर रहे हो, I'll tell you guys how to calculate lot sizing. क्योंकि मैं तो यार बिगिनर्स की वजह से मैं नहीं भेजता, नैस्डैक के सिग्नल्स बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉट साइजिंग. अगर आप लोगों को लॉट साइजिंग की कैलकुलेशंस आती हो तो मुझे दोनों मार्केट्स बहुत पसंद है. मुझे नैस्डैक भी पसंद है, मुझे गोल्ड भी पसंद है. नहीं यार, ये रिवर्स होके वापस TP1 पे चली गई है. 2 दफ़ा मैंने एंट्री भेजी थी. एक दफ़ा मैंने एंट्री भेजी, TP1 हिट होके वो रिवर्स की. तो मैंने किसी से स्टॉप लॉस ब्रेक इवन नहीं करवाया था. मैंने बाकियों को बोला कि जिसने मिस कर दी वो अभी भी एंटर कर सकता है. तो अभी उसके बाद फिर से TP1 हिट हो गया. अगर अभी भी वापस आई तो अभी भी वैलिड है. तो अगर वापस आती है मैं ग्रुप में फिर से मैसेज भेज दूंगा. बट अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए TP1 के पास घूम रही है. तो अगर यहाँ से गिरती रही तो ट्रेड आपकी मिस हो जाएगी. अगर एंट्री पे वापस आई आप फिर से एंटर कर सकते हो. ओके ओके ओके, तो अभी आपका सब सॉर्ट आउट हो गया है नायरा. हमारी गोल्ड की ट्रेड इधर थी जो मिस हो गई थी गाइज. रिट्रेसमेंट नहीं मिली थी मुझे.
Check out my new music video, Gut Punch, on YouTube, your one-stop shop for music.
Guys, I'm busy with this as well. Hold or exit. So I secured TP1 twice. I'm holding mine. Same stop loss and same TPs. But my trade is literally risk free now because I took TP1 twice. And if it does hit my SL, I just lose the profits that I made. So I'm still holding mine. But if you guys didn't make profits, if you guys didn't secure, then get out at break even. But if you guys did secure and you guys are playing with profits, then you guys can hold. Gold is consolidating, guys. So if gold does give me a deeper pullback ups, then we can trade gold. Just give me a second. Guys, look at gold. It's literally going for TP3. But we missed gold today.
Hello everyone, guys. Aaron Matthew doing at Hello everyone, guys. Aaron Matthew doing absolute.
Why the hell did my YouTube stop working? Yeah, it's valid, guys. It's valid. Entry for Nasdaq is still valid. I'm sorry, I'm busy with the group also, man. Because a lot of people are not understanding the lot sizing. So I'm just trying to help everyone with the lot sizing calculations. Something just happened.